So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to flip text here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, go to the bottom, select the text icon here, create a text box, then type in your word. I'll just go ahead and type in the word flip right here. Now if you want to flip it, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure that the text box is selected like that. Then go to the right hand side to where it says position. And then once you're here, you can go ahead and you can use these two options right here. So there's flip horizontal or there's flip vertical. So if you want to flip it horizontal, you can go ahead and do that. The rotation in this case will be 180. If you wanted to go ahead and flip it just like that, you can go ahead and flip it vertical like that. You can also just rotate the text here if you want. So if you wanted to rotate it and you wanted to flip it, you can go ahead and do the exact same thing like that and then play around with it just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can how to flip text here in Figma. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.